In the following video, the client requested that Smart PTT be connected to an RG2000 gateway with a single motor radio. The control station must operate in scan mode and automatically switch channels when receiving calls, so it can respond on the correct channel.
Okay, on this opportunity, we are going to test a specific system design that was requested by a customer. It's going to be just one control station, one RG2000. The control station is going to be with 4 different channels. The customer is using 3 analog channels, and the last channel is digital. All the channels in simple mode. I program the channels with the specific names, like A is for analog, channel 1, channel 222, channel 333, and that way we can see when the radio on the display switch the channels. The customer want to use just one control station, and the control stations will monitoring all the channels in a scan mode. So on the scan list, we add all the channels. For this testing is going to be very important because the customer wants the smart PTT console switch automatic to the channels that is receiving the radio. So for the purpose over here is going to be very important. Transmit designing channel zone is a zone 1 is the area where I program all the channels, and also transmission designator channel last active last active channels. So these 2 configurations is going to be very important for this test. Okay, you can see the topology again, one RG2000, one radio. I did this layout to present the configuration. We got channel selectors from channel 1 to channel 4. I got the window for the control stations and big PTT. I'm gonna switch the channel for channel 2. You can see on the radio display that is switched to channel 2, and also over here on the windows for the control station, switch to channel 2 as well. So we keep going. It's going to keep switching the channels. And also, if you want to switch the channels, you can do it in this part. It's going to respond automatic both locations, and also the radio is going to switch the channel. So now the real test. The channel is on channel 1. So if we transmit in a different channel, so let's test them. Let me switch my radio to a different channel. I'm gonna transmit in channel 3. Radio maintenance test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Radio maintenance test 1, 2, 3. So you can see the radio switched to receive the communication even when it was in channel 1, and the console automatic switch to channel 3. If we press the PTT, the radio is going to be transmit in channel 3. Let's switch to another channel. Let's switch to the digital channel. Now my portable radio is in channel 4, and I'm going to transmit. Radio maintenance test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. This transmission is in channel 4. I release the PTT, and the radio switch to channel 4, also the console, and we can press the PTT and transmit in channel 4. Radio maintenance test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. In this way, all the time when the radio receives communications in any of the channels, the radio is going to switch to the last active channels and also the console.